Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the blue corner, let's all welcome Hans Gerald Megalibio.
Now worldwide, niggas gossip like girls, they hide. No offense to knives, but this whole fucking world is mine. Even if you blind, you can still see my prophecy. My destiny to overdose, those on top of me. Feeling for currency, the money be calling, can you feel me? Dreaming, seeing scenes of me balling. Some bitch made niggas in that bullshit you going through. Outlaw busting while we rushing, untouchable.
I'm a general, and I'm a smart general, and I'm not gonna tag no blind soldiers. I'm attacking those.
And coming up to the red corner, ladies and gentlemen, Mark Hill Gandhi.
Y'all remember me? Y'all remember me? Am I wrong? 'Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Am I wrong? 'Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. Y'all remember me? Y'all remember me? After the fire comes the rain. After the pleasure there's pain. Even though we broke for the moment, we be balling the game. Tell me, yo, my military be prepared for the buses. Similar to pictures that scary. Get you near me, we busting visions to overpack wrists. Millions of niggas stuck living precious. 3 strikes, I hope they don't test us. And polar heat, ammunition and crates. Shh, move without a sound as we slide down. Pistols in place. I'm sensing niggas is defenses. I'm hitting fences to getting ghosts. Who can prevent me?
Ladies and gentlemen, this next contest is presented to you by ARQ Sports in association with Kawayan Masbate LGU, headed by the Honorable Mayor Edgar Bebot Condor, Vice Mayor Esther Condor Binzol, and the Sangguniang Bayan of Kawayan Masbate. Sports Coordinator JJ Alburo and Gilbert Lepiten. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout is scheduled for 4 rounds in the light flyweight division. The 3 judges for this contest, Romar Embodo, Alyanita, and Carlo Balayot. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, Oliver Garcia. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black with red and weighing 108 pounds, his professional debut from Butuan City, ladies and gentlemen, Hans Gerald Megalibio. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing black and weighing 108 pounds, also his professional debut from Omega Boxing Gym of Cebu City, introducing Mark Hill Gandhi.
Mark Hill Gandhi is debuting fighter for Omega Boxing Stable, while Hans Gerald Megalibio from Squared Circle Boxing once again. This is the 4th matchup for Omega and Squared Circle.
Oh, Cebu City versus Butuan City. Again, Encuentro 15. Mayong gabi kaninyong katanan. We are here on Masbate, Kawayan. We'd like to thank Honorable Edgar Condor and all the SB members, and of course, Vice Mayor Esther Binzol.
And of course, the sports coordinator,
Walang iba.
Gigi Alboro. Lami kay Krabs kanina.
Oo, alam ko ni Kaon eh. Control muna tayo.
Mas lami ang manok.
Of course, amen. Crispy King. Shout out, Boss Benhor Jr.
Speaking, baka naman, no? Ooh, aggressive fighters right here.
Oh, agresibo tong si Palarca, or rather, si Megalibio ba? How you pronounce it? Megalibio. Hans Gerald from Squared Circle Boxing.
Si Mark Hill Gandhi din from Omega Boxing Stable. Yung kanyang mga kakampi or kasama sa stable, dalawa na yung naging panalo, isa yung tabla, the latest one.
Oh, yung majority draw, no?
for a silent opening round for both fighters. Ito yung bawian. Itong dalawang fighters natin. Our official, our referee, sumenyas na medyo taasan yung kanilang bitaw dito. 1 minute to go, solid left to right rather for Omega. Holding place. Right, coach. Itong si Miguel Vio.
Oo, medyo nasaktan siya doon. Kaya nga umiwag talaga. Parang nag-freeze yung right shoulder niya.
At namumula ito. Right shoulder niya.
Oo, and then kita-kita ni Mark Gilgani of Omega is going for the kill now. Going to the body. And Miguel Vio is in trouble. As you can see, that's it here for Hans Gerald Miguel Vio. Until now, he's still touching that right shoulder ninyo. Tingnan natin saan to natamaan on our early rounds here, on our first round. Scheduled for 4, parang dun yun eh.
Dun.
Oo, sa left, straight to the shoulder.
Hoping na hindi ganun kalaki yung damage sa kanyang left shoulder, no?
Oo.
Itong si Miguel Vio. Kasi narinig na natin how strong the impact itong nabitawan ni Mark Gilgani.
Exactly, Nino.
Take a look at this once again. Hindi pa nasaktan dito itong si Miguel Vio. Doon.